Hey, what's up YouTube? Update on the 2.0 Mazda b2000 engine rebuild. Sharp block is almost done. Just waiting for one more connecting rod. Piston in here is with the metals. I had to replace it. New timing belt kit. It comes with the timing tension, timing idler, timing belt. So washing the parts right now. All the gaskets right here. I end up painting the block black. Valve cover gold. Por allá da. Ya se quedó en Denver. Ya no, el connecting rod, ¿verdad? Pero ahí va. Ya nomás que esté esa madre. Ponemos la cabeza. Timing belt. Is the hair ready? No. Oh, seems like we have the hair ready. They did the valve job. Surface valve job. It's quality right here. Ciao! So I guess just waiting for a gasket, the connecting rod. I had the metals there because I decided to go another route. Didn't want to put the that connecting rod. So head is ready, block is ready. I thought the head wasn't ready, but it's ready. So just waiting for the connecting rod. I can put the piston back in. Metals. And then head gasket head, timing belt kit, and the goodies. So yeah, stay tuned. For a picture. Alright.